Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Parth Bajaj and today we are going back to basics as we'll be learning how to make whipped cream from scratch. We'll be telling you how to do this via two methods. The first is by using dairy based whipping cream and the second is by using a non-dairy vegetable oil based dairy free topping, and both of them are extremely simple. Let's get started. There are a variety of brands available for non-dairy whipping cream. The ones I am using are Silver Mark by Mavis and Platinum by Goodrich. But there are other brands like Delecta which are great as well. So you can use literally any brand which is closest available to you. And for the dairy based whipping cream, the only brand I will recommend in India is Amul whipping cream. It comes in red Tetra pack. Otherwise Delecta whipping cream, which is dairy based as well. So these are my favorite brands for whipping cream, both for dairy and non-dairy. I'll be also posting a recipe for a fresh strawberry cake which goes perfectly with this whipping cream. So definitely check that out. I'll be linking it down below. And if you haven't already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so because we post a lot of baking related recipes and videos. So please stay tuned. Firstly, we are going to be making the dairy based whipping cream, for which I'm taking half cup of Amul whipping cream. And this has been chilling in the refrigerator overnight, so you need this to be completely chilled. And we are taking a big bowl in which we'll be adding ice. We are adding around 15-20 ice cubes, over which we'll be keeping a bowl which is smaller than the previous bowl, and it has been chilling in the freezer for at least 30 minutes along with our whiskers. So as long as you do this correctly, this setup, everything else should be easy. Just add in all of your whipping cream directly in the smaller bowl. So first we'll be whipping it on low speed for at least 5 to 6 minutes until we reach soft peaks. You can already see that the cream is starting to form soft peaks and it has increased in volume, but we want it to reach perfect soft peak so that we can start adding our sugar. You can see that our cream has reached soft peaks. It is bending over, it is flipping over, which means that we have reached soft peaks. Now we'll be adding a splash of vanilla essence, which is not compulsory, but it really enhances the flavor of the cream. That's it. And then we'll be adding 2 tablespoons of sifted icing sugar. We'll be adding it in 2 batches. And then we'll be slowly starting to whip it again. In goes all of our sugar. We'll just check once and you can see that it is almost forming stiff peaks. But we need to go on for about 2 minutes more. You can now see that the whipped cream is ready and it is whipped to stiff peaks. It is now perfect to also decorate any types of cakes, and we'll be making a strawberry fresh cake with the same. So we'll now keep this on the side and we'll try to show you how to make whipping cream using non-dairy options. So for the second type, we are using non-dairy whipping cream. This one is by Silver Mark by Mavis. And it may look like it has a lot of crystals, but it's not the case. We have to use it directly from the freezer. And now we'll be starting to whip it at low speed for 2 minutes, and then we'll increase the speed. For this we don't need an ice bath because this is much stabler and it will whip up really quickly, and it also has sugar already in it, so we need not add any additional sugar. After whipping for 2 minutes, we'll be increasing the speed to full. And then we'll whip it till stiff peak forms. So guys, our cream is perfectly whipped up now to stiff peaks, and this is even better than the previous one, and that is because the non-dairy version is very much more stable than the dairy based version. And this is why I prefer this, because it is really easy to store, it is easy to whip, and it is economical as well. And this is why I prefer this one. You can totally add some vanilla essence as well in this one, like we did in the previous one, but it is completely optional. So guys, those were the two ways for making perfect whipped cream, and this is my preferred version because in this it is very easy to whip and it is stable. It is also economical and it is easy to store. But with this, it is also it also has some benefits because this is dairy based whipping cream, which is slightly healthier for you than this one, and in this you can also control the amount of sweetness. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this one, you can also check out our chocolate ganache recipe video in which we have shared 4 ways of making chocolate ganache. I will be linking it down below or up here. You can just check that out, and please subscribe to our channel for more such videos, and we'll be also posting a strawberry fresh cake in which we'll be using this whipped cream. So stay tuned for that.